Digital being is an invisible and formless creature born out of abandoned technology. Some of them work interactively and some of them are randomly working based on the characteristic and the original function of the machine. When I came to New York City in 2008, it was a year before the United States broadcast transmission system went digital. It was at this moment that millions of cathode ray tube (CRT) devices around the country would be rendered obsolete. I had observed lots of abandoned technologies discarded on the streets, particularly analog TVs, which were expensive and once the icon of new technology in the period of Nam Junpei. As an artist, I not only wanted to give these objects new life, as a form of art, but I also wanted to comment on the direction of technological development, its sustainability, and the undiscovered possibility of computational consciousness through my body of work titled, Digital Being.